Hello, my first graders. I hope you are ready for our math lesson today. We will be balancing equations. But first, I have a digital review. I found something, so I'm going to, whoop, my mouse went weird. I'm going to share my screen with you. We are going to review some subtraction within 20. So I wish I could get rid of this, but it's not letting me. So, all right. So we are going to try and solve 8 minus 5. I know you guys already know this, but remember, we're also practicing using strategies so that when you get a subtraction problem that maybe you don't know, you have some ways to solve it. And here's what I always tell you guys: when we're going to count back using some counters, and when counting back, you're going to start from the largest number and count backwards. So we're taking away 5. All right, so 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. What did we land on? 3. Oh, that was a little crooked. All right, awesome. Here's a bigger one, 13 minus 4. Okay, so let's count back. So 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. What was the number we said last? 9. Boom. Okay. 11 minus 5. Ooh, so 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. What number did we say last? 6. Ooh. Okay. Oh, I got lost for a second. 14 minus 5. Let's do a couple more. Okay. So 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. What number did we say last? 9. Awesome. Let's do one more. 10 minus 3. So 10, 9, 8, 7. 10 minus 3 is 7. Awesome. All right. So now, oh, I have to break a little heart next to me. I need my whiteboard. And she's been drawing a beautiful picture on it. So it just breaks my heart. Can I show them what you were working on before I erase it?
Wait. I have to finish it first.
Well, I need it for our lesson, honey bun.
Wait, right after I could finish it.
Okay. Maybe I'll try and not erase it. Look at this gorgeous picture. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, wait. It's because I put it down upside down. Look at that, a kitty sleeping in a cat bed. So I'm going to try and just use this area.
Oh,
okay?
good. Thank you.
I need my dry erase marker though. All right, so Jane had 8 stickers. Let's pretend this is Jane. Jane the cat, who is dreaming of schoolwork. Jane had 8 stickers and she lost 2. James had 4 stickers and he got 4 more. Oh boy, I'm running out of room because now there's a third one. I'm gonna put it up here.
Yeah.
So we can see them, because we need to be able to see them all. And I'll make this one a little bit smaller. 8 and 2. Okay, Stephen, poor Stephen, had 9 stickers and lost 1. Which 2 students have the same number of stickers? Well, we know what numbers, do we know what operation? Let's review. Jane had 8 stickers and lost 2. That means her number got smaller. So what is 8 minus 2?
6.
6. Thank you, my special assistant. And James had 4 stickers, but he got 4 more. So that means we're going to add. And what is 4 plus 4? What number is that?
8.
8. Oh, I hear the children's voices. It's almost like you're right here with me. What is that cackling? And then poor Stephen, which that really gives us the giggles because we have a classmate named Stephen. Stephen had 9 stickers. This is a different Stephen because our classmate Stephen would not lose stickers. And he lost 1. What is 9 minus 1?
8.
8. Ooh, so we have 3 equations here.
Oh.
Which 2 students have the same number of stickers? Let's see, this one is Jane. Oh wait, I just realized that's James, J2, and Stephen. It looks like James and Stephen have the same number of stickers.
Oh, thanks, Mommy.
You just balanced equations again.
Thanks.
I very much enjoy when we practice our math skills in a sneaky, fun way. Because we're always learning, aren't we? I'm going to pass Jane the kitty back to her artist. I'm having trouble picking up this easel. All right. And we are going to continue working on balancing equations. Okay.
I'm just going to erase the little green and then I don't have to worry about erasing my
Okay. Oh, wait, I'm supposed to have the whiteboard again. I'll just use paper. Special assistant. I need a pencil or a pen, not a dry erase marker. Honey, there's a pen like right behind you. And pen or a Sharpie. I don't think they're going to be able to see neon pink. All right.
Oh, good.
Okay. Sharpie will work. All right. So if I have 10 minus 7,
that looks a little like.
What are some other equations that equal the same number as 10 minus 7? Well, first of all, what is 10 minus 7? Three.
Oh.
3. So I'm going to write a tiny little 3 right there as a reminder. So what are some other equations where we can get 3? Special assistant, can you think of any? What are some other subtraction equations that also would equal 3?
3 minus 0.
3 minus 0. Whoa. What about 6 minus 3?
3.
What about 7 minus 4?
3.
Do those all equal 3? Yes, they do. Let's see, what else? Ooh. 10 minus, we don't know yet, equals 6 minus 2. First of all, what is 6 minus 2?
4.
4. So 10 minus what would give you 4?
10 minus.
Well, here's another way to think of it if you're having trouble. What would you add to 4 to get 10? Would you add 6? So would you, if you would add 6 to 4, look at that, they're trying to hint it, then wouldn't you subtract 6 to get 4? So 10 minus 6 is equal to 6 minus 4 because the difference, here's our vocabulary word, the answer to a subtraction equation. That's an important one. I'm even going to put a little bubble around it. We've used that a lot. Okay.
I love you.
I love you. And I love you guys. Okay. So the difference is the same. That's why they are equal. Remember that equal means the same. Okay, and remember that picture of a balance that I drew for you guys? Maybe if we have a little balance, a little scale, and we talked about how in Bible times, this is how they could tell if you were giving enough money and if the worth was the same. Okay,
The
so
same story with your Bible thing.
yeah, so that means a 10 minus 6 would not tip the scale because it's equal to 6 minus 2.
And
Okay.
also in the movie,
Which movie?
Joseph, the King
Oh,
of
Joseph,
Dreams,
King of Dreams.
he is a slave, and the guy
Oh,
tried.
does it show a scale?
Yes.
How interesting.
And there are like pegs like for chess.
Yes, and each of those have a different weight or a value. So depending on which ones they put, it would all together be a certain weight.
And one of them was up and one was down.
Oh, that's not balanced, is it? That means that this one weighs more.
And that's
and their goal is to get it equal.
And that was as much as the king was going to pay. Yes.
That's what we talk about with these scales and what balancing means. We want them to be the same. Okay. Let's try one more. Oh, look at my poor Sharpie. I can hardly see what the next one is. Okay, so blank plus 5 equals 9 plus 1, because we can balance with addition and and subtraction. I think I'm getting hiccups, honey. I need a refill of water, please.
Okay.
Sometimes I wonder if hiccups are how God designed our bodies to remind us to drink water, because I often get hiccups when I have not had much water. And the only way that that my body can get rid of hiccups is by drinking water. So
I have 2.
Thank you, special assistant. All right, so blank plus 5 is equal or needs to be balanced with 9 plus 1. What is 9 plus 1? I think it's 10. Okay, so if we need this side to also equal 10, what plus 5 equals 10? 5. It's a doubles fact.
Speaking
all right.
of hiccups,
1
hiccup plus 2 hiccups equals 3 hiccups.
Yeah, it does. Lynn's had 1 set of hiccups today, and then Mom got 1 more. How many hiccup things have we had in our family today?
2 hiccup.
That's right.
Competition.
Oh, it wasn't a competition. All right, so this is where you need your practice page. You will need some scissors and a glue stick. So if you need to pause and go get those items and cut out your equations, you go right ahead and grab those things. But before you start cutting, remember, I highly encourage you guys to solve these and write the number in the top. So what is 4 plus 4?
8.
8. So I'm going to put a little tiny 8. Oh, my neon pink isn't showing. What is 5 plus 2? 5, 6, 7. What's 9 minus 5?
4.
4. What is 10 minus 3? 7. What's 10 minus 0? 10. What about 10 minus 2? 8. What is 5 plus 5?
10.
10. And 3 plus 1 is?
4.
4. Okay, I'm going to cut out my numbers. I'm also, whoops, I'm going to knock everything over.
4.
I'm also going to make sure that I am only cutting one paper.
That happened to me when I was in mom's class.
Yeah, it did.
I ended up cutting 2 pages.
Yeah, and the teacher magic known as tape is at school. So only cut one page.
Well, you do have some tape out.
Well, I do, but be responsible with your trash. Don't throw it at people.
You missed! I dunked!
Well, and that's good because you shouldn't throw things at people anyway. That was an example of what not to do. Okay, so when I'm done,
A little kind of fun.
well, not all fun things are good. Okay, so when I'm all done,
It is good for sin, but not for
when I'm all done cutting out my equations, I'm going to put them over here so I can see them. I'm going to line them up nice and neat so I can see all of my equations and the sum or difference that I've written on top. I'm sorry you guys can't see. The only pen that was here was neon pink. All right, pause here if you need to in order to catch up and then hit play when you are ready. You know what else I almost forgot? My name.
Oh no!
Your name needs to go on the top.
Always.
All right, always. That should have been the first thing. Oops. All right. Good thing we remembered at all though, because then we wouldn't know whose paper was mine.
Because
Yeah.
what if I
All right, so
won?
now I'm going to start balancing my equations. So what I'm looking for is the equations that have the same number. Like I'm just going to start up here with 3 plus 1, and I'm going to glue this down. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So which of my other equations equaled 4? 9 minus 5. So I'm going to glue that right there.
Almost done with my drawing.
10 minus 3, I'm just going to grab that one next. 10 minus 3 equals 7. So I'm looking for the one that equals 7. 5 plus 2. Okay. All right. And 10 minus 2 just happens to be next. So I'm going to glue that down. 10 minus 2 equals 8. So I'm looking for 4 plus 4. Okay, and then 10 minus 0 is next if I'm just going in order. And 5 plus 5, does that equal 10? Just because it's my last one, shouldn't I check and make sure?
Yeah.
And 5 plus 5 does equal 10. Because if you happen to be left with one that does not have the same answer, then something up here, there's a good chance that something up there was done wrong. All right. Pause if you need to catch up. Hit play when you're ready to turn the page. Oh, thank you for the water.
Now all I have to do is just draw the human.
Okay, so we did a page similar to this the other day, and you guys did pretty good on it. So I'll just remind you of some tips and then let you go at it to finish it. Okay, so it's very similar to what we did in the lesson today. We've got 5 plus blank equals 10 minus 4. Well, the first step is going to be to figure out what is 10 minus 4, and that is 6. Okay, so 5 plus what equals 6? Well, 6 is only one more than 5, so 5 plus 1 equals 6. Okay, let's see. 4 plus 3 is 7. And 10 minus what equals 7? And minus 3. All right, I'll help you with one more, and then you get to practice on your own. Okay, so 9 minus 1 is 8. So what plus 7 equals 8? Well, 8 is 1 more than 7, so I bet you if we add 1 to 7, we'll get 8. Awesome. All right, so I'm pretty sure you guys can do the rest on your own.
On
Your own. So, but if you do need help, please have your grown-ups call or text me and we'll talk, and I am more than happy to help you. Until then, you got this, and I'll see you in our next video.